Welcome back, everybody. Just got done mowing the old yard there. It really needed it. I had went way too long without doing it, and I thought we should probably do an update on the pumpkin plants today. So let's get right into that. Big change in the pumpkins out here, as you can tell, at least for the majority. I mean, some of these guys are absolutely killing it. These three right here are the three that came up on their own in the one egg carton. And then there's been a couple others here that have really done well. Others, not done so well. Figure this guy's not going to make it. He hasn't even really spread his leaves out that much. Maybe he needs just a little bit of help. This guy over here, he is having a terrible time. I figure it won't make it either, but that's all right because I have plenty more hair pumpkins. This one, it kind of looks like they're a little yellow on all the leaves, so maybe need to boost the nitrogen levels in them just a little bit going forward. I'm gonna stop using the quick start fertilizer. I about went through my gallon over the last week. I've alternated watering just regular water and then watering with the fertilizer, and it's obviously really worked pretty well. This guy here, he's even sending off a couple more leaves there. I mean, he's just really going well. A couple others here, these three, like I said, they're the ones that came up out of that single pack in that egg carton from the last video. If you haven't seen that, go check it out. You'll see what I'm talking about. But a couple others, this guy here, they're really coming along really well. Others are doing good, but these guys are really some standouts, and probably going to be the ones that I'm choosing from whenever I pick out my pumpkins to try and grow a great big one. Right now it's looking like these two are really doing well, and then this one is holding up really well with these two back here. So probably going to transplant them this week. Probably won't do it in this video, but you'll probably see me do that in the next one when I update you on these. And I'll probably have to put them in a bigger pot. I don't think that they're root bound yet. There's a possibility. I know that whenever pumpkins first take off, they send down a pretty large taproot, and then they spread out with some shallow roots along the top. So hopefully they've not, in just a little short time, like a week here, done that. But I mean, just depends on where they're putting all their growth. As far as me starting some watermelons, I've only had one come up, and he isn't looking that great. I'm gonna try and baby him along, see if we can get him to do a little better. That leaf there that he's got doesn't look that great, so maybe trying to start some different watermelons if this one doesn't pop up too soon here. Gonna have a lot more projects coming pretty soon. The wife's got a few of them picked out for me, of course, so we'll be doing those as today's come along. Gotta get in gear. It's fast approaching that we need to have stuff in the ground, so we'll probably be pumping those videos out over the next few weeks pretty fast. Probably gonna build a raised bed, so that's one thing I'm gonna do. Probably gonna build me a compost pile. I've got most of the stuff assembled for that. Got to pick up a couple of posts for the corners on that, and then we'll be ready to go on that. That'll probably be the next thing I do, unless I just bang out that raised bed really fast. She's kind of particular on what she wants on that, which that's fine by me. I'll do whatever she wants. So we'll get that going, and then one other thing that I can show you here. We have some mineral lick tubs. If you've been around the farm much, you know what these are. They're just the bulk tubs that cows come up, lick the mineral out of for a supplement. The wife grabbed a couple of those from her grandparents, and she says in the past that she's raised potatoes doing this, so I'm going to follow her lead, and we're probably going to try and grow some potatoes in that. other than those few things, just waiting on things to grow. So look out for maybe some video shorts in the future. Give this video a thumbs up if you don't mind, if you're liking the pumpkins. Probably gonna have a lot more gardening stuff going on in the future. It's just beginning. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.